is a competition level in the market. Firms compete in the market to increase their customer base, sales, market share, and the profit. Okay, the competition or the encounter on such topics known as competitive markets. Okay, we have a competition based on these three different things. The first one is price competition. It involves competing to offer the consumer the lowest or the best possible price of the product. The other one is non-price competition. It is a competition on all other features of the product, quality, after sales, care, warranty, etc. Means you can add all the features other than price. Okay. Then we have informative advertising. Okay, means providing information about the product to consumer. For example, advertising of phones, computer, home appliance, etc., which include the specific information about their technical feature. Something you have to give the information to your consumer by using any kind of a platform about the main feature of the product. Such kind of marketing is known as informative marketing. Other one is persuasive. It is designed to create consumer want to pursue them to buy the product in the order to boost sale. You have to compel them to bring, not only a compel, but you have to ignite them to buy such kind of a product. You can share any kind of important information to them. Your ultimately reason, your ultimately aim, your ultimately goal is to offer them and you want them to buy it. Okay, just increase your sale. For example, include advertisements of perfumes, cloth, chocolates, etc. Okay, that was a simple market structure in the competitive market. Okay, next one, we have some kind of a pricing strategies that we can use in the competitive market. The questions of the pricing strategies: that what can influence the price product fix on a product, level and the strength of the consumer demand, the amount of the competition from a rival procedure in the market, the cost of the production, and the level of the profit targeted. Okay, this is something you can count, that you have to make a price strategies when you are deciding about the life cycle of your product. Okay, if you are at entry level, then the growth level, and whenever you will reach at the maturity level, you have to decide that what kind of a price strategy there should be for your particular kind of a product. We have different kind of strategies. The first one is price skimming. Okay, when a new and the unique product enters the market, its procedures charge a very high price initially, as consumer will be willing to pay more for the new product. As more competitors begin to launch similar product, producer may lower price. Okay, simple mean with that whenever you will enter into the market, you have to keep it price at a higher price. Okay, you will charge higher price. Of course, after some time, when there will be more replications in the market, at that time what you will do, you will down, or you can downgrade this product or the price level of that particular product because of the existence of the replications. Okay, for example, iPhone are good examples. They are expensive at a launch and get cheaper over time. This is well-known pricing strategies called skimming. The other one is penetration pricing. Opposite to above one, when procedure set up very low price when encourage consumer to try the product. This is something that you have to allow them to try the product. While on the other hand, the above price skimming was that you charge a higher price initially. Okay, you can do when you have a very well reputed organization, but penetration, you are just asking them to try like a sample, helping expand the sales and increase loyalty. This way the product is able to penetrate a market, especially useful when there are a lot of existing rival products. For example, Netflix, it first started out as DVD rental service, used penetration pricing, $1 monthly subscription to encourage the customer to try their service, which helped it create a large consumer base. Other one, destruction pricing. This is something new. Okay, predatory pricing. Prices are kept very low, lower than cost of production per unit. you are keeping it very low, even lesser than the cost of production. Okay, in the order to destroy the sale of the existing products. You just wanted to spoil the other products, like of your competitor. Okay, as consumer will turn to the lowest price product, of course. Once the product is successful, it can raise the prices and cover cost. It is a long-term strategy. Initially, your aim is to destroy the other product, and then the next objective is to make your customer more loyal. Then you can raise your price of the product. Okay. That other one, price war. What is one? Price war. It happened when competing firms continually trying to undercut each other prices. For example, Shariz, we are doing same business. What do we have to do? We are selling a same product. Let's say a glass. Okay, its a price is 50 rupees, and I also have, let's say, you are also selling it for 50 rupees. Okay, now we are joined together. If I raise the price at 55, okay, customer will go to the lesser price, mean they will buy from you, not from me, because of the higher price. But I will offer something new additionally. What ultimately happen? You will offer two something different and you will keep your price at 60. It's a price war. Okay. Other word, cost plus pricing. Look at the formula. Maybe I gave you an assignment in the business study. I don't know you did it or not. The other is, this involves calculating the average cost of the producing each unit of output and then adding a markup value for the profit. For example, total cost divided by total output plus markup. That's the formula. You have to remember that, because you can get your MCQs in your business or might be possible in your economics. This ensures that the cost of production is covered and that each unit produce a profit. Okay, you just have to add markup.